He's so cute. That's his name?
Milo.
Milo. Oh. Milo. Hi, Milo. Nice hoodie. Oh, man. You look like Clifford, the big dog, the big red dog. Oh, what type of dog is it? What kind of dog is it?
He's a golden doodle.
Golden doodle?
Come here.
And how old is he?
5.
5.
Come here, Milo, come here.
Milo.
Milo, come here, sit, take a picture. Come here, sit, sit.
Good boy. Yeah. Good boy.
Come on, go back
Good,
up.
happy girl.
Go back, sit.